Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make drumstick soup. First, ensure you have about 1 pound of fresh drumsticks, cut into 2-inch pieces. Next, chop 1 medium onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 2 green chilies. Finally, measure out 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process for your delicious soup. Now, let's build the flavor base for our soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once hot, add the chopped onions and cook them until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and the green chilies, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, it's time to add the star ingredient. Introduce the chopped drumsticks to the pot and cook them for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are lightly browned on all sides. Then, add the chopped tomatoes along with the turmeric, coriander, and cumin powders. Continue to cook this mixture for 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the tomatoes to soften and the spices to release their aromas. Finally, let's bring it all together. Pour in 4 cups of water or vegetable broth and season with salt to your liking. Bring the soup to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the drumsticks to cook through and the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious drumstick soup hot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.